Rooibos tea, a natural source of antioxidants. Hello everyone! Today, I want to introduce you to a unique and healthful beverage, Rooibos tea, also known as red bush tea. Originating from South Africa, Rooibos has been cherished for centuries not only for its pleasant, naturally sweet flavor, but also for its powerful antioxidant properties. Unlike traditional black or green teas, Rooibos is caffeine-free, making it an ideal drink for all ages and for those seeking a calming, healthy beverage. Rooibos tea contains a rich array of bioactive compounds, including polyphenols such as aspartame and naphthophagen. These compounds are known for their antioxidant activity, which means they help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, contribute to inflammation, and accelerate aging. By consuming Rooibos regularly, you are supporting your body's natural defense system against oxidative stress. One of the primary benefits of Rooibos tea is its support for overall cellular health. The antioxidants in Rooibos help protect your cells from damage, promote healthy aging, and may reduce the risk of chronic diseases associated with oxidative stress. This makes Rooibos a gentle yet effective way to nourish your body from the inside out. Rooibos tea is also known to support heart health. Its polyphenols and flavonoids can help improve circulation, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy blood pressure. By supporting cardiovascular wellness, Rooibos contributes to long-term health and vitality. Another notable benefit of Rooibos tea is its anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation can lead to discomfort and various health issues, including joint pain and digestive problems. Regular consumption of Rooibos may help reduce inflammation naturally, promoting comfort and overall wellness. In addition, Rooibos tea is gentle on the digestive system. Its soothing properties make it a great choice for individuals with sensitive stomachs or digestive issues. It can help calm the digestive tract and support healthy digestion without irritation. Rooibos is also beneficial for stress reduction and relaxation. Being naturally caffeine-free, it can be enjoyed in the evening without affecting sleep. Its calming effect on the body and mind can help reduce tension, promote relaxation, and improve sleep quality. For practical use, Rooibos tea can be enjoyed in several ways. Traditional tea. Steep Rooibos leaves in hot water for a naturally sweet, caffeine-free beverage rich in antioxidants. Blends and infusions, Rooibos can be combined with herbs, spices, or fruits to enhance flavor and health benefits. Iced tea. Brewed Rooibos can be chilled for a refreshing and healthy summer drink. Supplements or extracts. Concentrated forms provide antioxidant support for those seeking convenience. It is important to note that Rooibos tea is generally safe for everyone, including children and pregnant women, due to its mild, caffeine-free nature. There are very few reported side effects, making it a versatile and safe addition to your daily routine. In conclusion, Rooibos tea is a powerful, natural source of antioxidants that support cellular health, cardiovascular function, digestive wellness, and relaxation. Its bioactive compounds, including polyphenols and flavonoids, help neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and promote overall well-being. By incorporating Rooibos into your daily routine, you can enjoy a delicious, soothing, and health-promoting beverage that contributes to long-term vitality and wellness. Nature has provided us with Rooibos tea not only as a flavorful and comforting drink, but also as a gentle yet effective tool for supporting health naturally. From its antioxidant properties to its calming effects and digestive support, Rooibos is a holistic ally for anyone seeking better wellness. Thank you for listening, and I encourage you to explore the benefits of Rooibos tea. Let this natural, antioxidant-rich beverage support your body, mind, and overall health every day.